If you want the customers' money, you gotta get their attention. And today, that's what we're gonna practice all day.
Hey Tom, it's the one and only Floyd Money Mayweather. First I want to say congratulations on your YouTube channel. Everybody needs to follow your YouTube channel. So what everyone needs to do is subscribe to Tom Peng. Great guy, great person. Tom, keep up the great work.
To make money in today's game, all you have to do is answer my questions. Be fast, be quick, and give me the right answers. And sometimes it's not about being fast or quick or even the right answer. It's about how you get my attention. See, it's like you're salespeople, I'm customer. I have many choices. I can buy from you, I can buy from you, I can buy from you. But why should I buy from you? Because you got my attention. You make me focus only on you. So my money will go to you because you got my attention. It really is simple as that. If you want the customers' money, you gotta get their attention. And today, that's what we're gonna practice all day. Grab people's attention, grab customers' attention. Today, you're gonna grab my attention. So how can you get my attention? You can raise your hand.
Giơ tay lên.
Somebody say something. What did you say?
Cần Thơ tập trung trả lời câu hỏi.
You can ask questions.
Hey,
Yeah, sure. Cần Thơ $100. Well, how else can you get my attention?
Đồng Nai chiến thắng trò chơi ngày hôm nay.
Yeah. Well, if you get my attention, then you win the game. But how do you get my attention?
Trả lời thật nhiều.
Answer a lot. A1, $100. You know, there's a microphone, right?
Mọi người có
Grab
cái
it.
micro.
You can put your hand up, right? But if you put your hand up, other people just say the answer and you lose. You have to speak louder. Maybe you have to wave at me. Maybe you have to jump on your chair. Whatever it is, you gotta get my attention. You gotta make me look at you. That's right. So when you deal with customer, that's what you have to do. You know, when I interview salespeople, one of the things I check is when I'm talking to the sales, is he looking at me? And oftentimes, the candidate doesn't look at me. They look at the translator. It's like the translator is doing the interview. Well, you know, the translator is more beautiful than me, maybe that's why. But the thing is, that tells me that either he's not confident to look at me, or he doesn't understand who is the key person in the room. And 3, he does not know how to get my attention. All right, so when you go see customers, don't look at their staff, look at the boss. Get the boss's undivided attention. Understand who is the key person in the room, and that person has to give you 100% of their attention. If you can do that, maybe their money will flow to you. Everybody understand me? Yeah. Okay, all right.